evening to everybody that's locked into the Upnlive show. Each and every week we go live here on Flames Radio, 8 p.m. This is the Upnlive show. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, on behalf of Likkle Brown Rasta, Dragon Allstar, World Mag Entertainment, and Flames Radio, this is the Upnlive show. We have a very special guest here with us this evening. He go by the name of Kimo Geepaz. Am I saying the name right or is it wrong?
Yeah, man, correct. Kimo Geepaz.
Kimo Geepaz.
Yeah, creepy.
You know me there, I wonder if me I say, wonder if me I call the artist name wrong, man, because me I'm worried now when I say, yo, I'm going to wipe me out when I start talk to him.
No, man, yeah, man, correct, man. Kimo Geepaz and the people them know, you know what I mean? Bless again for inviting me to the show, you get me?
Of course, it's a
must.
must.
People now get the upcoming artists and the strength, you get me? So, as a man in the business and willing for European youths, you know what I mean? Only manners and respect for that.
That's always been the mission.
Yeah,
the name, Kimo Geepaz. Let's start from there.
Yeah.
Explain the name there for me, please.
So, well, my real name, I'm not going to really talk on the ear still. But the Kimo stem from my real name, you know what I mean? Those who know me, you know, big up everybody we're locked in right now. My people them are locked in. The name Kimo come from that. And then Geepaz, me and our squad name Geepaz Creepers.
Okay.
Is it me?
So, I know that little terminology when I did there, yeah, like a Geepaz something like.
Geepaz Creepers. So, yeah, from Jamaica that I come from.
Okay.
So, yeah, my uncle started the group and obviously I moved from Jamaica and living at the UK now. We just bring the name over here and I try branch out, you know what I mean?
So, you've been in the UK how long now?
6 years now.
6 years. You're kind of in a mile because I should even give it a little something. That's a kind of mile boat, you know.
Yeah.
Like a 6 years something, but yeah. How you find it? How you find it in the UK? Though?
You know, at first adjusting was a little bit difficult.
Yeah.
You know, but you know we stay yard and abroad, you know what I mean? We can really, we're very versatile people.
Okay.
You know, so we know how to survive. We learn how to survive from Jamaica, so really and truly, anywhere in the world we go, we can implement that, you know.
Were you affected by the weather as I was?
Boy, yeah, it is cold. It is cold, but luckily when I come, it was a summertime.
Okay.
Yeah, I come in on May, you know, May I come, so you know, it just...
You just are coming to, you know, you get cushion in, man.
Yeah,
Alright,
yeah,
man.
so I'm really, climatized the right way, you know.
That's
yeah,
right.
Before the cold lick me in the December part there, yeah.
You wish you can go back and Jamaica.
Well, I tell you, and then after that, the homesickness start creeping, but, you know,
how it go.
couple phone call and couple FaceTimes and Skype, you know, get me...
That get you make you feel back in home. But that's alright.
Yeah.
That's like most of us anyway.
Mm-hmm.
But your music, how would you think that your music appeal to most? Would you consider yourself a dancehall or a reggae artist, or how would you classify your music?
I would say I'm a dancehall artist.
Yeah.
You know, I do dabble in the reggae genre sometimes.
Yeah.
You know, but my dancehall music, as you can hear from Supernova,
Yeah.
me I try take it to a different place, you know?
Yeah.
In terms of add some atmospheric sounds, some ambient sounds in there. Me just
Yeah.
try, you know, people know me say creepy. Me just try to put the creepiness on it. You know what I'm saying?
The creepy side.
Yeah, the creepy side of dancehall.
So it's more like the Tommy Lee side.
Yeah,
Tommy
no,
Lee
you know,
album.
so when I say creepy, what I mean like some scarecrow and skeletons and all them things there, you know what I mean? I'm not really for scare the people them.
Okay.
Because creepy is a terminology when we create. We really mean create,
Okay.
respect.
Okay, so it's an abbreviation of a couple words.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I'm just taking it say creepy. If a girl say, babes, you know, say something out the side and they creepy, you know, me go out there and look with something with some long teeth and skeleton looking something. That's what happened on my head.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, so obviously somebody who don't know your music and don't know you, that's the first impression. So maybe you need to have a little explanation with your name tag saying that Geepaz,
No,
creepy.
man, want them feel it creepy, because you know what creepy also mean. You know, because creepy, that's something you don't really understand neither.
Okay.
It's unique, it's different. You know what I mean? So when we say creepy, one, the people them get scared and curious.
That makes sense.
You see me? So really and truly, me just say creepy. And then who dare to find out will dare
Dare to find out.
Yeah.
The music you're working on now, any new music right now?
Yeah, well, you just play Supernova, came out Sunday.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Available on all digital platforms and all of them things there, you know. And before that was a single my release named Dugu Dugu.
Yeah.
You see me? So Dugu Dugu really I run the place at, you know what I mean? Like over 300k streams on Spotify.
This is what I'm saying though, because new artists The old that generation used to have it much harder where they used to have to go to studio, voice the records, put them on that, then transfer back over to wax, and then have pretty much just the dance hall to showcase the music.
Yeah.
The new artists, you have so many different platforms where you can literally have a song done today and then you can mix and master it by tonight and have it released by tomorrow.
For real.
How how and what is best working for you as an artist? Because this is what I find out for dancehall artists, especially for you yourself. You're new and coming into an environment where there's lots of competition.
Yeah.
What do you find that's worked for you as a dancehall artist living in the UK?
I really feel the people. You know what I mean? First and foremost, the streets have to really can connect with the song,
Yeah,
and it have to be something where them a feel. You know what I mean? Because like you rightly said, this day and age, there's so much competition, especially on Instagram. We get lost more time. I
yes.
scroll on the timeline and I tell them we can end up for an hour or two I watch be a video.
If you
know
just
what I mean?
watch, see me, brother,
Yeah,
see
just
me.
get lost, you know what I mean? So how do you really stand out? You have to really appeal to the people them and try and connect with the people them first and foremost, and that's how that single Dugu Dugu really took off. I go Jamaica with it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Big up my place, 8 Mile Bull Bay, St. Andrew come
You're from St. Andrew.
Yeah, St. Andrew.
Everybody like come from Kingston side. Why would
Yeah.
you stay so?
No,
Come to the rest of the island. Nobody don't live down there.
Yeah, man, God, the rest of the place them man, but yeah man, St. Andrew my place,
Big up yourself still.
For real, man.
But you're doing music here. How do you find people accepting it here rather than
People,
Jamaica?
yeah, now people over here are the same energy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Are the same energy. So yeah, when the single they drop, you know what I mean, people really came back with some positive feedback.
Yep.
And it kind of even surprised me too. So like, I tell you say, I don't really want for someone away, but people whiter than chalk.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Really gravitate to the Dugu Dugu, and them. They were very curious as to what Dugu Dugu even mean.
Maybe.
And we tell them what Dugu Dugu
Means
mean.
they're more intrigued.
You know what I mean? They're more intrigued.
Well, that makes sense anyway. That makes sense. Well, I don't want to say it. Let me just leave that. Let me just leave that. Let me ask you something. Guys, I've seen there's a reason everybody is bashing this artist Jacure. What's your take on what he done? You've seen the videos what happened, right?
When my
When I saw the artist selectors about dub plates and what you think as an artist yourself. How do you feel about that?
say, it get to a stage where you really can't make the money getting out of the way of doing the music. You see me? I say, but at the same time, every man will have them price.
Yeah.
You see me? And every man I go value themselves a different way.
Okay.
So the way he might value himself might be the way Kimo Geepaz value himself. You see me?
Yes.
So really and truly, I can't say nothing to Jack here for him say. You see me? I say, but maybe him shouldn't. You know what I mean? As somebody with film image, it probably look negative.
He probably don't look right.
Yeah, it don't look right. I'm not gonna say it probably look. Not talk. You know what I mean? It don't look right.
It don't look right.
So Jack your image. I say that, but at the same time, everybody have them own price and them own value where them give themselves.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So what's next for Geepaz? What's next for Geepaz?
Next for Geepaz, go on do a video. I plan to do a video for Dugu Dugu.
Yeah.
And drop that this summer. We have a performance coming up, you know what I mean, in a bed for the River Festival.
Okay.
That on the 14th of July. Yeah, and then from that is just releasing good music and making good music for the people, you know what I mean?
Are you with any production companies here?
At the moment I'm very much independent.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I've worked with a few big names already in the music business. I work with Cashflow already.
Yeah.
Arms House. I work with
You got quite a good
Upnlive.
reach.
Yeah, you know what I mean? So you will really try to branch out and work with people even though we are work by ourselves. But like you know the statement, but no man is an island, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
What would be your dream collab in the UK?
a dream collaboration in the UK.
Yeah.
It's quite a few today. There's a few, There's a few. But the top of my list at the moment would be, I don't probably even believe this, but probably Skepta.
Skepta.
Yeah.
Well, everybody likes working with Skepta. Skepta is a godfather anyway.
Yeah.
and he brings a different energy to any
Yes,
record that he
yeah.
goes on. So and it's a good move, it's a wise move, I would say.
Yeah.
If you to link up with somebody of that caliber, it would definitely bring a different touch to your type of music. That makes sense. But we're on the show, and normally at this time of the show, we always bring you to the Upnlive show freestyle. But for some reason, we can't find a rhythm this evening, so we need to cuss Dragon this evening because
Dragon, how you do, man?
we have our own rhythm on the Upnlive show, our personal rhythm. But for some reason, I search high and low, we change computers, and it's not on the new one, so it's on the old one. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna make shift and try to play something else and just work with it, alright?
Alright then.
So you ready for this?
Ready.
Okay, so people, this is what we do. This is the Upnlive show, and normally this time we call this the freestyle. Alright? So the people online right now, and if you're listening at home, you're gonna judge. If you're on the Instagram, the Facebook thing, and you don't like how I'm sound, thumbs down. If you like how I'm sound, thumbs up, right? We're gonna go live right here at Upnlive show freestyle. First beat, let's go.
Yeah. I'm gonna say, you want to try to throw me like you know, but I know so we're always ready, you know. People, the money tree out there, I just have to shake it. And if you want bread, you have to bake it. Cause every man want food and shelter plus clothes. Cause we not gonna walk around naked. Nobody not gonna give you, so you have to take it. In a life, Rick up must make it. Me have a vision, how more and be in the future. Hey Maya, them can't come change it. Money is what everybody after. So it's a book and pencil me dropper. Some go drop for the clock and the gun, and them same one end up in a hot water. If you gonna make money, make it honestly. No one bag of waste girl for come stress me. That no mean me gonna make man caress me. Yo, me straight like how the Steven I'm in a morning, me hell is majesty. Yo, the rhythm switch up so honestly. Boy, my bank book look fat like how the girl they breast me. Me they not town, enough girl walk past me. Me steps them turn round class me. Go in the elevator safe in a life and look fresh. Them same one. Me say I'm fresh to the block, new to the place. Clocks for my feet, the wallabies, me tie the lace. When me cross any see back, Bacardi by the case and girls a move like cell phone. Now them a ringing on me as a them a yeah, sticking up. Yeah, me say my bad to me say my creep. Me say my, hey, me say Jeep to the creep. You know my fresh from my head to my feet. You know my sticking on my sleeve. Them boy they can't touch me, them get delete like control at delete. Cause them only bad on the keys, bad on the keyboard. Them a internet bad man, move like some fuck man. They this rad man. You know I come off at the top with it, sticking up. Hey, me say me smooth like wave. Me say me smooth like wave. Y'all say me smooth like wave. Every day smooth like wave. Hold on, use your lens, zoom in, pan seam, I'm clean. Teeth them brush, personal hygiene. Swag so bright, it's like muse, I'll sheen. Anyway me sign in, represent my team. I shining like starlight beams. Take a good look at it, sightseeing. Pass with the camera, create a hype scene. Swag turn up loud like police siren. Hey girls that me, Susan Ashley, creator for swag. Yes that's me, them want be next to me like knock knees. Watch me, watch keenly, voila. So when me step in at the street, man, hot stepper.
Yeah.
KC swag, nobody does it better.
Yeah.
The girl them pray for my shot, but no better. Hey girl, wanna send love better one. Smooth like wave, mix me Rick up. Smooth like wave, girl say me smooth like wave. Hey Rick up, you smooth like wave. Hey, me say me fresh on the radio, Flames FM. Me touching on this about 8 p.m. Me say
No, people. Drop a bomb for
yeah, creepy. Yeah.
Hey, people online, how him sound good? Him sound alright? I don't know, I swear to you. The energy like him never want to stop as well. We like that, right? So shout out to everyone that's just joining. At DJ Rick is on Instagram, Rick Upnlive on Facebook. That is the name for the people that know, that's want to know. And if you, I haven't seen anybody answer the correct answer yet. Let me check the chat feed on this thing. But there's nobody answer the question here. So if you're just joining us, we're giving away some tickets for Shibana Comes to Town the 22nd, the 23rd, and 24th. Alright, so just comment the date, the second date, and you get yourself a pair of tickets. Simple as that. Kimo Geepaz, wicked freestyle, brother. And you know we're going to be having this up and we're going to be putting some bar street, and we're gonna be having the thumbs up and the thumbs down, cause everybody comes through, go through the fire now. Yeah, and I think the fire don't go and go the while still. Yeah, you look like me, the G, you ready up? Cause right now, it's something warm tonight, warm out here now. So before we go, we can just tell people how to find you and find your music online.
Yes, so everybody can find me at Kimo Geepaz, you know what I mean? It's the same on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, you know what I mean, on iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify. Also, the next show will be in River Festival on the 14th of July, so the people them can come out and see me and the team live. You get me? That's in Bedford. And yeah, go listen to the new single right now, Supernova. Yeah, yo.
Big up my brother, thank you very much for passing through the Upper Life Show, alright? Respect and manners and all the best with you in the career. Up next, we're going to be having BDG live here and set. So people, if you're online right now, you're watching this, remember, like, subscribe, follow us YouTube channel, it's Upper Life Show. Remember to like and share the video, people. Comment if you don't like episode, thumbs down. If you like episode, thumbs up. Simple like that, alright? It's approximately 26 minutes coming up on the top of the hour live here until 10 this evening. Up next, we're going to be having BDG live on your radio.